Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Medical Pyrexia. So, today we are gonna do start adductor canal. Adductor canal is also called as subsartorial canal and the Hunter's canal. As the John Hunter in 1729 discovered it, as per the discovery, it also known as the Hunter canal. Okay. Now, it is an intermuscular space situated on the medial side of the middle one third of the thigh. Done. Now about its extent, that apex of the femoral triangle above to the tendinous opening in the adductor magnus below. Its boundaries are anterolateral, which is made up of vastus medialis, posteromedial, which is made up of adductor longus above or adductor magnus below, and the medial walls has anterolateral and posterior medial boundaries, and its roof is made up of sartorius muscle. Now, subsartorial plexus of nerve under sartorius are formed, and these are formed by the medial cutaneous nerve of thigh, saphenous nerve, and the anterior division of the obturator nerve. Obturator nerve we discuss later in the chapter of medial side of the thigh. ठीक है. Now about its content. The content of adductor canal are as femoral artery. Done. Femoral artery within the canal. We discussed in the previous video, that is, it has two branches, muscular branches and the descending genicular artery. And again, above hiatus opening, hiatus magnus, that is we also called as adductor magnus. It's open as superficial saphenous branch and the deep branch, deep muscular branch, which further gives branch to the vastus medialis and then to the knee, and the saphenous branch is pierced with the saphenous nerve. When it leaves the canal, it leaves the adductor canal on which point? At the adductor magnus point or the hiatus magnus, in which that femoral artery is made as popliteal artery. Means its name gonna to be changed here behind the knee joint. Okay. Now another one, its content is femoral vein. It is a upward continuation of the popliteal vein. It has saphenous nerve, nerve to vastus medialis, and branch of the two division of the obturator nerve. Means obturator nerve has two branches, that one anterior and the posterior. So the anterior branch gives to the lower border of the adductor longus, gives branches to the sartorial plexus, and it supplies to the femoral artery, and the posterior one is the anterior surface of the adductor magnus, femoral and the popliteal artery, and it also supplied to the knee joint. Means here it ends, it terminates. Okay. Now अब हम इसको इसके डायग्राम से देखते हैं. This is femur and this is the anterolateral wall, and it's made up of vastus medialis. Done. It is a sartorius muscle. This is a adductor longus muscle which made its floor, and two profunda femoris vessels are seen here, and there are branches of anterior and posterior obturator nerve which gives branch to these. Now it has sartorial plexus, and it has femoral artery and femoral vein. So this is all about its content. Now this is a diagram of the adductor canal. Now this is a femoral vein and femoral artery through which the saphenous nerve is passes, and with the help of the anterior and the posterior division of the obturator nerve, it forms the sartorial plexus. Okay, now it also has that femoral artery has a branch, descending genicular artery. Further it is divided into two, saphenous artery and the muscular artery, which we discussed before. It has two muscular branches of the femoral artery, and here is the twig of posterior division of the knee joint. Thank you.